Breakfast. Breakfast is the morning food. We eat it after waking up. It gives us energy for the day. I eat breakfast every morning. She likes her breakfast eggs. They have breakfast together. We finish breakfast quickly. Breakfast foods vary daily. He drinks juice at breakfast. Her breakfast looks tasty. Kids enjoy breakfast at school. Delicious. Delicious means very tasty. It is food that tastes good. This cake is delicious. I like delicious fruits. The soup tastes delicious. She baked delicious cookies. I found the meal delicious. I see a delicious apple. He eats a delicious burger. She cooks delicious pasta. He bought a delicious pie. We drink a delicious juice. Airport. An airport is a place for planes and travelers. I go to the airport today. The airport has many airplanes. She waits at the airport gate. We arrived early at the airport. They arrived at the airport on time. The airport has big airplanes. People wait at the airport lounge. The airport has many shops. The airport is busy today. Icicle. A bicycle has two wheels. You ride it with pedals. It is good for travel and fun. I ride my bicycle daily. Her bicycle is red and shiny. We saw a bicycle at the park. They own a bicycle store. The bicycle has a bell on it. My bicycle needs a new tire. Kids love their bicycle rides. He parked his bicycle outside. College is where students learn more after high school. I go to college tomorrow. She studies at college now. They like college classes a lot. We visit the college campus. He wants to join college soon. Kitchen. A kitchen is where we cook food in a house. The kitchen is clean today. She cooks in the kitchen. The kitchen has a fridge. He washes dishes in the kitchen. They eat breakfast in the kitchen. The kitchen is next to the living room. Kids play near the kitchen. The kitchen has a big table. The kitchen smells like cookies. She likes her kitchen view. T-shirt. A t-shirt is a short, soft shirt. You wear it on your top body. It is simple and comfy. I like my t-shirt today. She bought a new t-shirt. His t-shirt is blue. They wear a t-shirt now. She folds her t-shirt. We wash the t-shirt now. The boy wears a t-shirt outside. Building. A building is a place made by people. It is where we live or work. The building is tall. The building has many windows. That building is on the street. The building has a big door. The building holds many rooms. They work in the building. The building blocks the sun. Computer. A computer is a machine we use to work and have fun. I turn on the computer. The computer is on the desk. She likes her computer games. We use the computer to learn. The computer helps me write. The computer is in the room. My computer has a big screen. They fix the computer quickly. The computer shows pictures clearly. Exercise means moving your body. It makes you healthy and strong. I like to exercise every morning. She will exercise in the park today. They plan to exercise after school. We should exercise to stay fit. He loves to exercise on weekends. Kids exercise with games and fun. People exercise when they walk fast. He uses a bike to exercise daily. Football? Football is a game with a ball. People kick the ball to score. It is played outside a lot. Many people love football. It is very fun to watch. Kids play football in the park. He bought a new football today. She kicks football at the school. They watch football on TV. He uses his foot to kick football. Her brother lifts the football. The children chase footballs. Dad throws the football far. Internet. The internet is a big digital network. It helps people talk and find information. The internet helps me learn. I watch videos on the internet. She shops online using the internet. They talk on the internet now. He uses the internet at work. They play games on the internet. Shopping is buying things. People buy things at stores. I go shopping today. She loves shopping clothes. We go shopping together. They enjoy shopping now. We are shopping for food. She is shopping that night. Shopping keeps stores busy. Swimming is moving in water. People do it for fun or exercise. I enjoy swimming every summer. Swimming helps me stay fit. She loves swimming in lakes. We went swimming today. He is swimming fast now. Swimming pool is big. Swimming gear is important. They are swimming at the park. Swimming with friends is fun. My brother is swimming in the sea. A teenager is a young person. They are between kids and adults. The teenager likes to play sports. That teenager is in school. A teenager loves to listen to music. The teenager has many friends. The teenager is reading a book. The teenager rides a bike outside. The teenager wears new clothes. The teenager cooks with mom. An apartment is a small home in a big building. She lives in an apartment. The apartment has a balcony. He found an apartment nearby. Their apartment is on the 3rd floor. The apartment has many windows. Their apartment has a small garden. They painted their apartment blue. Chocolate. Chocolate is sweet. People eat it. It is made from cocoa. She eats chocolate after lunch. Chocolate makes me happy. The cat found chocolate on the table. She bought chocolate for her friend. The store sells chocolate candies. Chocolate melts in warm hands. The cake has chocolate inside. Classroom. A classroom is a room for learning. Kids sit and listen there. Teachers help students learn. It is in a school. People study in a classroom. The classroom has students inside. Every classroom needs a blackboard. In the classroom, kids read books. The classroom is neat and clean. The classroom has many desks. The classroom is in the school. Kids sit in the classroom chairs. Restaurant. A restaurant is a place to eat food. She goes to the restaurant today. The restaurant is near my home. We like this restaurant a lot. They work in the restaurant. The restaurant serves pizza and pasta. The restaurant has many lights. The restaurant is old and big. My friend works at the restaurant. I saw the restaurant on my walk. Supermarket. A supermarket is a big store for shopping. You buy many things there. It helps you get food and more. It's easy and quick. I go to the supermarket today. The supermarket has many fruits. She works at the supermarket. We buy bread at the supermarket. He found milk in the supermarket. They sell toys in the supermarket. Kids enjoy the supermarket visit. I see a cart at the supermarket. The supermarket is busy now.